Greetings to all the plant enthusiasts who have a special affinity for exotic plants. We are thrilled to have you join us on our channel today as we embark on a fascinating project. Our goal for today is to guide you through the intricate process of transplanting dragon fruit seedlings into their own individual containers. This particular step is crucial in ensuring the optimum growth and development of your prized seedlings. To transplant dragon fruit seedlings, you'll need small containers with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. High-quality potting mix. A mix designed for cacti or succulents works perfectly. These specialized potting mixes are formulated to provide the perfect balance of drainage and moisture retention that cacti and succulents need to thrive. Begin by carefully filling each container with a pre-moistened potting mix. This high-quality mix not only provides essential nutrients for your plant's growth, but also helps to create a stable environment for their delicate roots. Leave about 2 centimeters of space at the top of each container to allow ample room for watering without the risk of overflowing. When it comes to transplanting dragon fruit seedlings from their growing container, a small knife can be a handy tool to carefully extract the delicate roots without causing damage. It is important to gently loosen the soil around the seedlings to make it easier to lift them out. Using a sharp, sterile knife, carefully cut around the base of each seedling to separate it from the surrounding soil. Take care to avoid cutting into the roots as this can hinder the plant's growth. Now, you can use your finger to carefully create a small, circular hole in the center of the soil, just deep enough to comfortably accommodate the delicate roots of the seedling. Take the seedling and gently place it in the hole, making sure that it stands upright and is positioned at the correct depth. Next, softly press the soil around the base of the seedling to ensure that it is secure and stable in its new home. Add a bit more soil around the seedling to provide additional support and protection as it begins to grow and thrive in its new environment. As you continue with the transplantation process of your dragon fruit seedlings, ensure that you are repeating the same steps with meticulous care and attention to detail. It is crucial to handle each seedling delicately and ensure they are placed in their new environment with precision. Taking your time during this process is key, as rushing through it can lead to potential damage to the seedlings. Patience is essential when transplanting your dragon fruit seedlings, as it allows for a smooth transition and promotes healthy growth in the long run. Remember that these steps are not to be taken lightly, as they are vital for the development of your future dragon fruit plants. Each transplanting action contributes to the overall health and success of your plants, so it is important to execute them correctly. By following these guidelines diligently, you are setting yourself up for a thriving dragon fruit garden in the future. Your dedication and careful approach to the transplantation process will pay off in the form of strong, vibrant dragon fruit plants that will provide you with bountiful harvests. Stay focused, patient, and meticulous throughout the process, and you will reap the rewards of your hard work. Give the transplanted seedlings a gentle watering to settle the soil and hydrate them. Be careful not to overwater. Dragon fruit plants prefer their soil slightly on the dry side. Place your containers in a bright location but out of direct sunlight for a few days. This helps reduce stress on the seedlings as they adjust to their new homes. Remember, too much direct sunlight can scorch young seedlings, so find a balance. Keep an eye on them. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry, and ensure they get plenty of indirect sunlight. And there you have it. Your dragon fruit seedlings are now happily settled in their new homes. With the right care, they'll grow into strong, healthy plants that will reward you with beautiful flowers and delicious fruit. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips, and share your dragon fruit journey in the comments below. Happy gardening, and see you next time.